What's up everyone? How y'all doing? Ah man, it's cold over here. Weather here sucks right now. It's winter. It's gray, it's cold, it's moody. I don't like it at all. It's a new year, almost 1 month in though, but I wanted to test some new stuff and document the Civic build. I did it in the past, but with pictures only, and now I want to do some videos of it. So this is the first one. No fabrication though, no upgrades. It will be a sound check. You might seen it in the titles or the thumbnail. Yeah, kswap civic ek. Oh yeah, and it's super dirty. I clean it a little bit in the cold, in the rain. That will be awesome. Yeah, exhaust tip is dirty too. Give it a little bit. Yeah, so let's go. Oh, and yeah, I just found out how my launch control works. During warm-up, I did a little bit faster gas throttle pushes, and yeah, then it sounded a little bit weird. And yeah, I never used it before. I don't need it really, but it's funny. So I tested it, and you seen it. Yeah, that's what we're working with. It's a K20A. K-tuned the budget swap header, and yeah, exhaust is self-made. Did it with my brother. It's 3-inch from the swap header to the back. 3-inch boxes, mufflers. But yeah, they do not that much. It's loud. Yeah, I'm used to getting black flags on the track, so now I got the turn down. Yeah, I hope it gets better with the turn down tip. Yeah, if not, I always have to lift in the zones where they're measuring the noise. That's it. Future plans are there, a little bit here and there. It's a lot of stuff to do. I need better tires. Maybe I try something wider. It's 195 now, and yeah, maybe a little bit wider. Some Toyo R888s, or I don't know, something more grippy. So yeah, that's it for now. See you soon.